Making sure you have the right amount of inventory on hand can be challenging and time-consuming. A cluttered and disorganized stockroom can make it difficult to find products or parts quickly. You may find yourself ordering supplies that you actually have on hand, but that you can't put your hands on. If you want to spend less time sorting and managing inventory and more time completing work orders, HD Supply can help. The My Inventory Solutions team uses a three-step approach to optimize your inventory: organize, manage, replenish. We start by helping you organize your parts for free, working with you to create custom bin labels that include part numbers, descriptions, and scannable barcodes for faster reordering. Using bins and labels is an easy way to ensure that every product has a dedicated place in your shop, allowing you to find parts faster and work more efficiently. What if bins and labels aren't enough to solve your inventory problem? Through our Organized Shop solution, we can build custom shop designs specifically for your space and the inventory needs of your business. Once your supplies and parts are organized, we can help you focus on managing them. With our technology solutions, you'll have real-time visibility into supply levels, as well as the ability to manage all of your inventory with minimum and maximum controls. Our app-based technology allows you to scan inventory in and out, so you always know exactly how much stock you have on hand. When levels are low, the software alerts you that it's time to replenish. The solution also gives you access to performance analytics, which can help you make more informed decisions and simplify your ordering process.
But what if you have a larger operation with lots of moving parts and inventory challenges? Our on-site services solution may be just what you need to take your business to the next level. This comprehensive HD Supply Managed solution includes a dedicated full-time associate and the infrastructure necessary for you to be successful. Our on-site setup includes everything from stocking supplies to building storage and shelving solutions, as well as connecting any related IT systems and equipment. When you take advantage of My Inventory Solutions, your entire team will have more time to focus on customers and earning new business. You'll have all your inventory solution needs covered. Get started today. Email myinventorysolutions@hdsupply.com to schedule a free consultation.